Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a DIY lollipop bouquet. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 20 to 30 lollipops, a small decorative pot or vase, and a block of floral foam. Also, have on hand some wooden skewers, green floral tape, and colorful tissue paper or cellophane. These simple items are the foundation for creating a delightful and edible gift that's perfect for any celebration. Now, let's prepare your lollipops for arrangement. Take each lollipop and attach a wooden skewer to its stick using floral tape. Make sure the skewer is firmly secured, extending the length of the lollipop by about 6 to 8 inches. This added length will give you more control when arranging them. Wrap the entire extended stick with green floral tape to create a uniform, stem-like appearance. With your lollipops prepared, it's time to assemble the bouquet. First, fit a piece of floral foam securely into your decorative pot or vase. Begin by inserting your longest lollipops into the center of the foam, establishing the height. Then, work your way outwards, placing shorter lollipops around the taller ones. Aim for a balanced, rounded shape, ensuring the lollipops are evenly distributed and facing different directions. To complete your beautiful lollipop bouquet, add some decorative flair. Fill any visible gaps around the lollipop sticks in the container with colorful tissue paper, shredded cellophane, or even some small silk leaves. This adds volume and hides the floral foam. Finally, tie a festive ribbon around the base of your container. Your handmade lollipop bouquet is now ready to be presented as a delightful and memorable gift for any special occasion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.